Good morning, everybody. It is 9:10. Charlotte slept all... Why do I keep going out of focus? Charlotte slept all night long last night. That's 2 nights in a row, and she actually woke up just shy before 8 o'clock. You guys, like, fingers crossed. Like, I want to go visit my mom, but then I'm like, I don't want to interrupt her sleep. So, that is what's going on. I was gonna not go anywhere today, but then my husband saw you guys. Graham is outside with the kids. He's playing on the swing, and I had to get him something to clean the swing. So I said I wasn't gonna go anywhere today, but then I found a new craft. Why does this do this? I'm ready to like kick its butt. But I found a craft that I want to make, so I have to go into town to see if they have this stuff. I'm gonna try to find it. I'm like determined to see if I can find some stuff. And then I remember Pick and Save has this where you spend $40, you get $10 off instantly on diapers and stuff. And I always have a huge stockpile of diapers, but like, I'm like, okay, my stockpile is gonna end soon because like Charlotte's only 1. She just turned 1. I'm still gonna be in diapers for at least another probably year and a half. Probably. So it's like I have a ton of 4s, but I'm like, I have a feeling she'll be in 4s for a very long time. And so I'm like, okay, I should probably get more diapers. And so if you guys don't have children and you don't have those, if you guys have those diaper coupons, if you want to send them to me, that'd be awesome. My friend just found out she's pregnant, and I kind of want to send her some coupons before those expire so she can get some stuff. She's not due till February, but I kind of want to help her out on saving money. When she had her first son, God, he's like almost, is he 3 already? I think he's 2. I bought her so much clothes, you guys, from me couponing in the past. Like I don't coupon for clothes as much as I used to, but I gave her probably $300 worth of clothes when she had her son. Just because, you know, I'm a person who's very thoughtful, and you know, I just want to do that. But if you guys have any of those coupons and you plan on not using them, I know there's some people who do have babies and there's some people that don't, or if you know, whatever you guys want to do. I do have a P.O. box below. I kind of want to stock up on some diapers, but I'm gonna definitely send her one. I only got 1 insert yesterday with those coupons in them, so that's what I'm relying on, is that. So yeah, I want to go there, and I want to go to Starbucks to find out for the special cup, you guys, because there's another craft video that I want to do. Yes, so I'm pretty excited for that. And then when I get back, I'm gonna work on some more cups. For those who have messaged me to make you cups, I know there's a couple of you guys, please give me some time. I gotta order some more jewels, but I'm waiting for, you know, a couple more people to respond back, just because I don't want to sit there and pay for shipping twice. So I'm gonna probably order some jewels. I know I talked to one of you specifically on what you wanted, so I will get that stuff started for you. But yeah, I'm ready to go to Pick and Save, what is Kroger, and get some diaper deal, and I'm going to definitely do a haul video, you guys, and there's a couple other things that I want to do, and go to Starbucks today. I don't think I need to go anywhere else. I should go to Aldi. I want to go to Aldi, but I don't need to. So when Ben and I went shopping the other day, we were driving past Aldi, and there was nobody in the parking lot, and there were cop cars all around the building, and there was cops like standing all around, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? So Graham called his friend that listens to the the radio talk, and there was 2 kids that stole a car, and then they went and hid behind a dumpster at the Aldi parking lot. I'm like, yeah, you guys are really gonna get very far. So there's so many kids in our area that are stealing cars, and then they crash them and then they run away, and it's just like, it's just non-stop. It's like, I mean, I want to get more cameras on the outside. We have 1 camera, but I want to get more cameras on the outside of my house, just because there's kids that are coming up to people's houses and checking if everything's locked. I mean, when we leave our car outside, we always bring our garage door in, because they could break into the car and then take the garage door, but even though we keep the door locked, they could still, you know, do something. I don't know. I'm just sick of this stuff. I just wish everything was perfect. But yeah, so I'm gonna prepare. Actually, no, I'm gonna go take a shower right now because I am kid-free. I'm gonna take a shower and then prepare for my Pick and Save Kroger haul. And my husband's calling me again, so I will catch you guys back. Okay, I'm more motivated. So it's like, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like almost 11 o'clock or something like that. So I saw this thing on TikTok to like curl your hair. Like you wash your hair and then you comb it, and when it has the air conditioning, the conditioner in. And then you wrap your head in a towel, in a t-shirt, which I've heard from several people that drying your hair in a t-shirt is a lot easier or a lot softer for your hair than it is a towel. I recently started sleeping with satin pillow sheets just to keep my hair from like frizzing. So this is something to keep your hair curly. I don't know, I probably have had this in my hair for about maybe an hour, hour and a half. So we're gonna see how it turns out, or if it's a complete flop. I just took one of Graham's old shirts, which this isn't that old. We got it when we were in Ireland, I think. But I just was in a hurry. So I did put my hair in a part. I didn't, oh my gosh. It's still wet. But it's a lot curlier than I usually have it. So that's kind of cool. I kind of like it. I think I'm going to just kind of put some spray paint on it. Spray paint. Oh my god, you guys. I'm going to put some, let's see. I'm going to put some hairspray in it and then let it air dry and see how well it does it. They did say to do this when you go to sleep. So I might do this another time and see how well it turns out. But I kind of like it. I like it. I'm gonna try this more and more, but let me get some hairspray on it. Well, hello you guys. So I'm loving my hair. It's like, it's actually kind of curly. I'll do a little bit different with it next time, but I am learning. So it is 12:22.
I'm gonna tell the camera something.
Tell the camera something.
Grandma, I put stuffed animals in the car.
You put the stuffed animals in the car, you guys. So I am going to, it's 12:22. I gotta go run some errands. I'm just seeing if my Ibotta reset from yesterday, because if it did, then there's a couple more things that I could get, but I'm not seeing it that it reset.
Mommy, can I get something at Walmart?
So we're not going to Walmart. So that is what my day is going. Hopefully it'll reset by the time, you know, if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not a big deal. So I am gonna get going. I will catch you guys back in when we are more productive. Okay, you guys. So I went to Hobby Lobby. They have tons of stuff on clearance. They have their 4th of July stuff 90% off. I got a couple things that I'm gonna make for next year, so I'm just gonna put it in my 4th of July bin. But I went to Starbucks, and I hate waiting in line to find out that they don't have a cup that I'm looking for. And I'm like, okay, but what happens if they don't have it? I don't want to go to another Starbucks and order. But they had my cups, you guys. Like, I'm going to do a DIY with these. I'm so excited.
The big snow globe.
Yeah, I'm so excited to make it. These were $14.95, but I used some, what did I use? Oh, I used my Fetch Rewards to get those. So that is what's going on. Now we're going to go to Pick and Save. I don't know what it is right now. I don't know what it is right now. But there was this guy, I was in the left lane, and this guy is like coming, and he's kind of like waiting for me to go by, but I'm in the left lane, and he's blocking the road. I can't even go straight, and I'm not going around because there was a car right next to me. So I ran on my horn, I'm like, go, and it was a stupid idiot, you know, just because they drive a Porsche doesn't mean, you know, they own the road.
The horn at you.
Yes, honey. So then I honked the horn at the idiot. I'm like, go, I can't go around you. So then we go a little bit, and then I get to a 4-way stop. Well, he turns left, and he starts ramming his horn after I'm standing right next to him. I'm like, dude, you're an idiot. Just because you're rich doesn't mean you have to be a jerk. I hate people who are like that. And then this intersection right over here, you have to make a quick, like, you can go straight, and then Charlotte, hold on. And this person, I wanted to make a left, and this person's blocking the traffic at a stop sign. It's like, come on, really? We got Grump Face. What's going on, Grump Face?
Charlotte wants to hold you.
Yeah, she just doesn't like the car ride. But now we're going to Pick and Save, and then we're gonna go, guys. So we just are done with Pick and Save. It ended up turning out a pretty good haul. I saw a whole bunch of Sunday papers, and I asked him, I'm like, hey, can I take them or can I get them at a discount? He's like, no. I'm like, well, he's like, no, they send them back for credit. I'm like, that's fine. I was just worth asking because you never know. And then my brother called me, and he's in town. He's a truck driver also, and his truck broke down in our area. So we're gonna pick him up and have him come over to our house. So I won't get the movies, or I won't do the haul.
We got the movie 12 the other day.
Yeah, they know that, honey. I won't do the haul until like after he leaves, possibly. We will see, but we're gonna go pick up. Well, hey you guys. So I have no idea what time it is. I think Charlotte went to bed around 3:30. My brother's still here. I just got done finishing my pick and save video, so I'm gonna go post that right now, put some groceries away. I'll catch you guys back. My bag's ripped open. I'll catch you guys back in a little bit. Well, hey there, you guys. So it is 8:33, 8:39. My hair is still kind of curly. I'm gonna do a little bit different stuff to it, but I kind of like how it turned out. Still gonna figure out something, but yeah. Graham's gonna be home in about 30 minutes. My brother, we dropped him off about maybe around 7 o'clock and stuff. Yeah, he lives back, you know, where I'm from, like 2 hours away, and then he's a truck driver, and they like knew his truck had some problems, and so then he had to stop, and they were fixing his truck at this place right down the road from me. So I'm like, why don't you come hang out? So he went and just hung out with the kids, because he's only met Charlotte a couple times, so you know, it's kind of fun just hanging out with him, like, you know, just play with the kids, and it's just fun. That's my, I hate to say it, but that's the brother that I get along with all the time. It's also the brother that I see the most. The other one lives far away. But yeah, so tomorrow Ben's going out for a walk with Grandma and Grandpa, and
yeah, it's
yeah,
Dave and
yeah, they know.
Johnny.
Yeah, so then Charlotte's gonna probably take a nap while they're gone, and Grandma will be here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work on some more cups. There's 2 cups that I gotta finish still, and then I wanna start working on other people's cups, but I have to order some more gems. And there's a new DIY that I want to do, so I have to order the stuff on Amazon. Everything's supposed to be here on Wednesday, but one thing's not supposed to be here till Friday. And I'm just like, oh, please be here by Wednesday, because I really want to get this done. I really want to try it, so I'm pretty excited for it. But yeah, I just had a nice day. Got to go to Pick and Save, you know. Still looking for some more deals. I'm gonna try to push more of those Kroger deals, you guys, especially like Ibotta deals. If you guys are team beach ball, awesome. But yeah, I just want to push some Ibotta deals, like, you know, get that thrill going. I kind of want to do a Walmart grocery pickup, and I might do that because I have a $10 off code off of 50. So I could get like $40 worth of stuff. I'd have to see what I could get, but they have some cat food that's on sale. Like, I would just get the items that don't involve coupons. And I think I might do something like that. I would have to check out and see what happens, but I think I might try it. We'll see how it goes. What I might do is go shopping. I might order my order, then go shopping in the store and get stuff that I want to use coupons for, and then I'll say, hey, I'm here, and they'll bring me my rest of my order. I might do that. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think you should do? I mean, it's $10, so I'd pay 40 bucks. I might look into it. I don't know. We'll just see what other stuff pops up on Wednesday, but I'm gonna definitely go on Thursday. Charlotte's got the remote. She pushes the remote, and the TV automatically turns on. Oh well, fine with me. I'm hoping she sleeps all night long. It's kind of hot in the house. I'm gonna have something to eat because I haven't eaten anything since probably 3 o'clock maybe. I haven't hardly eaten anything. I did empty the dishwasher, so I gotta load that. I'm so thirsty. And I should be drinking water. Fun fact, you guys, you know, I was mentioning how Graham and I, like back in the day, we were talking about, you know, losing weight. And I wish I found the piece of paper because we wanted to lose like 10% of our weight. Graham really hasn't done very much, but I have, you know, lost more. I'm lost more weight. Like, Graham can actually see it in my waist. I don't feel like I'm super skinny, but I feel like I have lost weight, especially in my waist. I don't know if I've lost weight more in my, you know, lost the fullness in my face, but I have lost almost 10 pounds, and I'm not like doing exercising. I'm just basically not binge eating. I'm kind of watching what I'm eating. I'm trying not to, you know, eat before I go to bed. I kind of want to do fasting. If you guys know what fasting is basically you don't eat for like 12 hours. So you eat, so like like you can start eating at like 10, or some people do it for 14 hours, but you can basically eat at like 8 in the morning, but then you have to stop at 8 p.m. or something like that. Some people even do it even less than that. I don't know, I was thinking of possibly doing that, and I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna have, okay, but I'm gonna let you guys go because my camera's gonna die. I swear this is the battery that dies like super fast. So I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. Thank you guys for saying that, bright and early. I'm hoping to have another successful day, get some stuff done, and be more motivated. I know. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.